Hello artistic nail design fans, my name's Carrie-Leigh Allen, award-winning nail technician and educator for Luella Bell. This step-by-step shows you how to create a salon viable bow design using artistic nail design gel polishes. For this design I've used Luxury, Bride, Posh and Always Right. The client's nails have already been prepped and Bonder gel applied. I'm now going to apply Luxury to 3 of the fingers and the thumb, and Posh to the ring finger of each hand. Cure this layer and then apply another layer and cure. Use Luxury to paint a tip on the ring finger as you would in a French manicure. Don't worry, it doesn't have to be really neat. Repeat on the other hand and cure. Using a detailer brush and Always Right, paint the shape of a bow on the smile line. If you're finding that your gel polishes are too runny to paint detail with, place some on a foil and let the solvent evaporate for a few minutes before using. Once you finish your bow shape, cure. Next, we're going to apply the polka dots using the silver artistic nail design dotting tool. I'm using the smaller end, then cure. Using Bride and a fine detail brush, I'm now going to outline the bow and give it detail. Keep your lines as fine as possible, and don't worry if they're not all the same thickness, this actually makes the design look better. Feel free to flash cure as you go along if you don't want your lines to move. Now complete the other hand and then cure both fully. Finish with glossing gel and cure fully. This design is a really simple salon viable design that can be done in many different colours. I hope you've enjoyed this nail tutorial. Please give it a go, and if you do, drop your picture in the comments and let me know how you've got on. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my video and drop me a comment below. Thank you for watching.